Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Is this thing on? Hey, my name is Vander Puchert, and this is Finding Frequency. Yeah, setting up some new gear today. Trying to get my audio sorted out. I've got this age-old kind of audio mixer next to me. It's got lots of stories to tell, this mixer. Used it with a good friend of mine years ago back in South Africa for podcasting. And I seem to be still getting some good mileage out of it. It's just here and there I need an extra cable. And that being said, as I was joking with my friend Jeff Parks from Canada yesterday, it's like a geeky thing. You go down this rabbit hole just wanting more stuff. So the doorbell rang at a very opportune time when Martha's in the middle of a very important meeting as a little gadget arrived from an online store so that I can plug in a new feed into some of these devices next to me. I'm just happy that it doesn't cause electric fire at some stage. But this is kind of like the interesting thing, to fiddle around and always try and figure out what's going on and keep the mind fresh. And that's what we're doing currently here, preparing ourselves emotionally to go and sign documents next week, because that's going to change things around for us a little bit, and we'll probably have something bigger to fiddle around, a whole damn house. So the confirmations came through yesterday, and now it's just a official putting pen to paper, and we'll only be able to do that next week due to our working schedule. So that is something to worry about or look forward to. So definitely a official update on that. Francie's also gone back to kindergarten today, and I've been told that he was really happy to do so. So that is a good thing for now. We'll see what his attitude is like when he gets home. And then also we are getting ready, because Martha's got a bit of work to do, to take a walk together as a family, not to something amazing and life-changing, but rather just to a takeaway place to get some food. But I'm looking forward to getting out there, getting a bit of fresh air to do just that. And then hopefully wrap up this very kind of easygoing day, because it was really just focusing on catching up with some work, finishing up some things that I had to do, and fiddling around with all kinds of digital things next to me. And then tomorrow, getting ready for a mini workshop, some work to do with some great new students. So looking forward to that, and also preparing for that probably a bit later tonight. So a bit of a rambling update, but appreciating this opportunity to work at a bit of a slower pace for the next couple of days. But then also looking forward to catching up with some old friends as I start lining up and getting ready to go into winter time. So that is the update for today. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for listening.